Today let's talk about my EDC iPhone upgrade, the Walnut Bumper Case. I've actually bought this Woodcessories case a couple of months ago because I wanted to make the switch to a walnut style EDC and home office, so it was a great fit. But now let's take a closer look at the Walnut Bumper Case. And here you can see, as the name suggests, it's a protective case that features a soft layer right here to protect all kind of buttons and switches, and on top it got this high quality walnut wood layer on the backside that lets it stand out. So yeah, this case provides an appealing aesthetic, but it also offers a unique combination of elegance and durability that I really like. And exactly that's one of the main reasons why I've bought it. The natural pattern and warm tones of the walnut wood instantly improves the look of my iPhone, and it adds this moody touch as well that I really like. Basically it provides a timeless and stylish design, and that's a great way to let the iPhone stand out. Especially if you compare to the standard iPhone case from Apple, you can see that there's a huge difference here. The second reason why I've bought this case is of course one of the most important reasons to buy a case: protection. So for me this walnut bumper case is not just about the good looks. In this case I definitely wanted to have a case that can actually protect my iPhone from everyday bumps, scratches and drops. So having this additional layer is absolutely great because it reduces the risk of damage, and that can save a lot of money in the long run, especially if you use your iPhone as a daily driver. Another advantage of the walnut bumper case is its comfort and functionality. This case fits perfectly around the iPhone, offering great cutouts for buttons, ports and the camera, ensuring an easy access and smooth handling while using the iPhone. All in all, this case maintains the sleekness of your iPhone. On top, it's worth mentioning that the walnut wood offers a smooth texture on the backside, so it's always great to hold and use the iPhone. On top, beyond the visual appeal and protection, the walnut bumper iPhone case sets its focus on environmental sustainability. So at the end of the day, choosing this case not only enhances your iPhone aesthetics, but it also supports the sustainable use of resources, which is always great. In conclusion, I definitely need to say that this case is absolutely worth the investment for several reasons. It offers a sleek design combining the elegance of wood with modern technology, and it sets apart from conventional plastic cases. On top, it sets its focus on protection and a comfortable fit, and of course the eco-friendly nature. So for me it's the perfect balance between style and functionality, and that's super important for me because I use my phone on a daily basis. So yeah, if you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your iPhone while ensuring its safety, I can highly recommend such a walnut bumper case for your EDC. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I see you in the next video.